These tasty boats are great to make with the kids. They use up leftovers and are so cheap to make for a lunch or dinner. So let's get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. First thing, our garlic and herb butter. Melt the butter and add the garlic and herbs, give it a little mix, and we're ready to roll, literally. Now it's time to make a letterbox in the bread. If you've made bunny chow or courgette boats before, you'll know the drill. Slice a letterbox, making sure you don't pierce the bottom of the bun, and either push down the top of the bun, making sure the sides are secure, or take out the bread in the cut section, leaving the walls and the base, and press down to make the biggest space for our filling. So let's spread the inside and outside of the bread liberally with the herby butter. Place a cheese slice in the middle so it folds up the side of the bread. Spoon a layer of chilli on the base. Add the hot dog, you can cut it to size, and top with more chilli so it envelops the wiener. Place in a preheated oven at 100 degrees C, that's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes until the chilli has set and the bread is toasted. And here we have it, a fun take on chilli and garlic bread that the kids will love. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, how about doing me a solid and subscribing to see what's coming up next? And here's a few more recipes you might like. Until next time, bye!